Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nair Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you all are healthy. Hope you all are safe. So today I have with me an eyeshadow palette from the brand Lotus. This is the Lotus Eco Stay Velvet eyeshadow. So in case you just want to see how I did this eye look, and also if you want to see the tone and texture of this palette, you can click on this timestamp or you can watch this entire video. Lotus is a good brand. Lotus, they have skincare, they have makeups, and they also have this anti-aging creams, also radiance creams, whitening cream also Lotus has. So Lotus is a good brand and they cater to almost every product related to women. So about this eyeshadow, so this retails for 595 rupees, approximately 600 rupees, and this is for 1.4 grams in quantity. Also this says that this has velvety texture that blends very easily, which is true. And this is long wearing velvety formula enriched with vitamin E and cornstarch, and this has cornstarch in it, and cornstarch actually makes it fade resistant and also makes it crease resistant, and that means that this won't settle down in the crease of your eyelids. So that is really good. So this can be very long wearing, I guess. And there are 3 other variants in this as well, and this one is the autumn feel, and the other 3 are one is orchid fresh, and the other one is forest green, and the third one is moonlight. Now this one has nice beautiful tones, like very subtle and very warm kind of tones. The moonlight one and the forest one, they had mostly green and blue, and the other one, orchid one, also had light purple kind of shades. This one I felt will go with every color, almost every color, because the colors are very universal, browns and a slight pink. Yeah, that's why I'm wearing pink. Okay. So price wise, I think people can find this a little higher price, because these 4 shades for 600 rupees, it's a little highly priced. This is how the packaging looks like. There is a brush inside, and the brush is like this. There's a sponge tip applicator and also a brush at one end for blending purposes. But when I applied this eyeshadow on my eyes, which you will just see, I used my own brushes. I didn't use this brush because I find this a little difficult to maneuver color on my eyelids. So yeah, so these are the 4 shades, and I'll show you the pigmentation of these. So the pigmentation of these shades is good. It's not very good, it's good. Let's just quickly see the demo of this eyeshadow palette. Alright, so I'll be using these 3 shades. I won't be using this one because this is more like a highlighter. I'll use this to highlight my brow bone or the bridge of my nose, but I'll be using these 3 shades. I have actually forgotten how to do an eyeshadow makeup, because it's been a long time since I've done eyeshadow on my eyes, because mostly I was reviewing makeup and skincare videos. So first of all, I think I'll be using this shade on my crease with this crease brush. Alright. Okay, you can see this. Okay, this is quite beautiful. This has a nice glitter to it. It's looking really good. Okay, so now I'll take this brush, this is a dome shaped brush, and I'll just apply this pink color on my eyelid. I want to see what the pigmentation of this pink one. It's really good. It's very pigmented. It's really pigmented. You can see the color, right? I can see it. I hope you can see as well. Without kajal and eyeliner, I look like a different person. Like, this is not the same person. Alright, so this is the pink one. I'll just use this brush again to blend it properly. So this is how I have done these two shades, and I think it's looking good. Now the darker one, this dark brown. I'll just take this brush again. I wiped this on my pajama. I wiped this, yeah, because I can't find tissue paper right now. So I just wiped it on my pajama. It's fine. क्या हो गया? धोना है अभी. Okay, so I'll just take this dark one. Ooh, this is quite pigmented, and I'll just apply it in the corner of my eye. I don't think it's much visible. Yes, a little bit, like on the corner of my eye. I did black. I did the brown one. Okay. So as far as this highlighter shade is concerned, ooh, wow. Okay. So I'll just just finish it a little bit, and I'll just do my this eye, and let's get back to the video. Achieving any kind of an eye look with these 4 shades is very easy because the shades are very smooth. They feel like butter while application. They don't feel harsh at all on your skin, and they blend very easily because I'm not a pro in doing eye makeup, but still I managed to blend it properly. So this is good. And also Lotus, I forgot to mention, so Lotus is 100% a vegetarian brand, and the products of this brand have not been tested on animals, and also the expiry is mentioned on this carton, so you can very easily throw away this outer one. I really don't think the camera is doing justice to the pigmentation of this palette, because in reality the colors are looking really beautiful, but I don't know, in camera I think they are looking a little dull. And these 4 shades, they are not matte, they are shiny, they have a glitter, and I like glittery eyeshadows. I don't like matte eyeshadows. They feel very chalky, and they don't feel good, they don't look good. So while I was applying this eyeshadow, I had already done foundation on my face, so I was expecting a lot of fallout, and I was like, it will come in front of you, so you'll also be able to see how much fallout this product has. But no, there is no fallout. There is very minimalistic amount of fallout that can easily be neglected. That's very good, like 0 fallout, so that's pretty good. And the only con I feel is that, like, there should be a mirror in this palette. Like, there should be a mirror over here, that makes application a little easy. Now I was using this and using my another mirror to do this, otherwise I could have just done by using this mirror. So I think mirror is a little important. And as far as the brush is concerned, this one is good for depositing color on your eyelid, and this one is good for blending. Though my hands are not very very apt while using this brush, but वही है, ये सब कहने वाली बात होती है कि this kind of applicator is not good. A highly professional makeup artist can create magic by using any brush. Like, even if they can create magic by using this brush as well. वो तो we people like us who find it difficult to blend and everything, we have to say this brush is very difficult to work with. A professional can work with every brush. So if you are looking for a nice eyeshadow palette, something which has 0 fallout and something which looks like this, you can opt for this one. And I'm sure the rest of the variants are also as good as this one. So I'll put the link in the description box of this one if you want to buy this one. This will give this kind of an effect, and you can create magic like the way you want. You can do any combination on your eyes, and that will look good. You don't have to follow any rules while doing eye makeup. There's no fallout, and the colors, they look very subtle. They look very soft. So I like that. So that was it. That was my take on Lotus eyeshadow palette. I hope you liked my review on this, and I will see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.